Hello, welcome to the Gorgeous Glow Skin Show. I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson. It's a pleasure to see you guys. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the adverse effects of lasergenesis. So as you recall, lasergenesis is when we use a laser that it just produces heat, little heat pulses that we, as like a little wand, wave around your face, all over your face. And what you feel is little, like I said, little heat pulses. But what it does is a facial rejuvenation system that is considered non-ablative, meaning it does not cause any injury to your skin. So with this particular laser, though, you want to have it done every 2 weeks for 6 treatments. So a lot of times spas, doctors sell it as a package, and 2 weeks come really fast. So after 6 weeks, you will notice your skin is soft. You have that glow. You're, as we say, unmask your gorgeous. It also helps with scarring, tighten the pores, helps with redness, and definitely helps with acne, okay? So the problem is, what happens when you have an adverse reaction or you don't get the effects you want? So number one thing that can happen is you can burn. You know, normally it does not cause burning, but if the operator is not moving the wand around fast enough, you can burn. So, and it has the same settings actually as the hair laser. Is a YAG laser. And so it can go deep in the skin, but this lasergenesis is only superficial. However, if you keep that wand in one spot for a long time, it will burn your skin, and we treat it as a first-degree burn, okay? So just keep that in mind. So what you want to do is make sure, you know, if what our clients would do, if we're not moving that wand fast enough, they sort of turn a little, turn away from the heat source. And so that would definitely help your operator to know, hey, she's feeling this, it's not comfortable for her. But also you can just turn the energy down. You know, that you don't want to have the energy too low that you don't get the effects you want after 6 treatments, but you definitely you don't want it too high that it's so uncomfortable. So with like any other operator, you want to make sure your operator gradually increase your joules as you keep getting this treatment done, okay? So there's a general setting that, you know, they will start at. And as you keep getting your treatments every other week, they may go up into joules, providing you can tolerate that, okay? So that's number one. Again, you can burn if they're not moving around fast enough or the energy is too high. And that's how you take care of that. Cut back on the energy level and make sure the wand is moving very rapidly. But number 2 is, what if you don't get the results you're looking for? You know, so was the expectation too high, or was when the operator was doing a procedure, the wand was not close enough to your skin? So you shouldn't be no higher than like 2 or 3 inches off the skin. And again, moving fast. But if you don't feel too much and it feels so comfortable, then no, that's a problem. You should feel something, and it should be a little uncomfortable. So if you don't feel that much uncomfortness, and you know you feel like you can just go to sleep with this procedure, then that's not high enough joules. And so you definitely want to make sure you're getting the treatment, the joules that you need. But that's number 1. Number 2, the reason why you can have you don't get the outcome you're looking for is the expectation was too high. You know, on average, depending on how you look, you want to you know, ask, hey, is this really possible? When you hear something too good to be true, you want to double check that. Okay, so just, you know, ask the person who's giving you a consultation, hey, is that possible? You know, because you don't want to be upset at the end of the treatment and you realize you have to have another treatment, a whole nother set of treatments done, or it just couldn't do the job that you were told it can. So that's another reason why you would have a bad outcome. But also making sure the operator, when she did the procedure, you know, the wand is not too far from your skin. So you want to make sure you do feel it, and it does feel a little uncomfortable. So those are your 2 reasons why you can have a bad outcome. 1, you can burn, or 2, you just don't get the results you're looking for. And unfortunately, you won't know that until after you have the 6 treatments. So any questions for me? Well, thank you for tuning in to the Gorgeous Glow Skin Show. I'm your host, Dr. Sonia Johnson, and I help women who want to have even and clear skin tone with increased confidence. If that's you, you're at the right place. We offer virtual dermatology visits, so if you have any bad outcomes with lasers or cosmetic procedures, go to yesiwantclearskin.com. Yes, period, iwantclearskin.com. Thank you again, and you take care.